Okay, so I just had enough time to play around with Scratch, uh, which was really cool how they have the setup here. So when you make an account and let's say we go File New, you'll come to this project. There's a cat in the side, sprites, there's stages. So stages would be like your floor that you would move around to. So I wanted to, when I first started looking at this, I was like, how do I go about making a timer? So on the side here, there's variables. Let's make a variable. We're going to call it timer. So once we got timer, we can go to event. When we go when clicked, we're going to make when clicked. We're going to set our variable, and you can change your variables with this little drop down timer. And I just wanted to play around with, 60 seconds. So right now, if we click, we got timer. It's not doing anything, which is fine. We'll fix that. So there's a couple different ways to do this, but so you got this wait 1 second. So we got one click, set timer to 60. Well, we got 60 on the side. So if we go on a forever, this is going to happen every frame. We're going to do it forever. We're going to wait 1 second. And we're going to set variable, let's say timer, and we want to set it to a -1. I think I'm doing the, yeah, that's not the one. It's not a forever timer. It's a if, or so we have these if statements, and we're going to do an operation. So if timer, which we can plug right here, an if statement. If timer, we're going to grab variable, and you'll notice timer circle, and this is circle. And you want if timer is equal to greater than 60. You want to wait 1 second and then set timer by -1. So it should count down. Or not. Should count down. What did I do? Let's see. One sprite is clicked. Set timer to 60. Let's pull this down. Then we do a wait 1 second, and it's not a wait 1 second. I guess I'm just gonna have to wait 1 second. Not repeat. Variable. Wait 1 second. Change variable. Oh, that's it. Change variable. Fine. Okay. So, let's see. Grab this. 1 click, set timer to 60. Wait 1 second, change variable by -1. Which... Oh. Put in a forever variable. False. Okay. 1 clicked. Set timer. Oh, okay. That's why. Poof, we got a timer. Now the only issue here, we'll stop this. We're gonna change this to, let's say 5, so it counts down quicker. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It hits a negative and keeps counting, which we don't want. That's where these if-then statements. So we're gonna go if. So we want if. I'm gonna plug this one in because we want to set it so when it hits 0, then it's gonna stop. So we're gonna pull the timer variable. We're gonna change this to 0, and we're just gonna stop all. And now we got this. Stopped. It stopped at 0. Our whole scene stopped. You know, even 1 step further, we could, you know, you can't really tell, but we could go to stage and let's create a new stage. Okay. Or let's backdrops. We're gonna go to paint. So we already got the first one's white. We're just gonna fill this other one. We just grab the whole thing. So we want to start with white, then we'll go to purple. So let's go to stages, choose backdrop, or choose backdrop paint. So what I find is we want that one white, we want those purple. So now let's go to code. We're also gonna set on the start, controls when clicked. We're gonna go to backdrop which we already have clicked. So right now we're playing with the backdrop, but we want one click, switch backdrop to number 1. So that's going to be our number 1. Now let's go back to Clicker Sprite where our timer code, and timer hits 0. We can even switch backdrop to number 2, and then we're going to stop all. So if lucky, this purple's going to change. And then stop. Our timer stopped, our scene stopped. Thank you. Well, let's see if it works. Yep, it works still.